Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use WarriorPlus. WarriorPlus is an amazing affiliate network that you can use for boosting your business if you want to work as affiliate or if you want to work as someone who is selling products. So the first thing first, when you would come here to the WarriorPlus, you will have sign up in the top right, but I'm going to have a dashboard. Just click top right sign up, and if you have a dashboard here, let's just log in and I'm going to teach you how you can simply use WarriorPlus. So when you're going to be here in WarriorPlus, you're going to have like multiple things here. The first thing first, in the marketplace, you're going to see products where you can find various products that you can see and that you can like sell. Then there you have like categories, alerts, or deal of the days. Then you have vendor here, and in vendor that's like you, and you're going to have like our dashboard, your own products, affiliates, coupons, JV center, literally everything here. So my products, I don't have any products under my account, so I can add a new one. Or I can invent the transactions. I would see transactions right here. And then you would see affiliates, pending requests, or current affiliates. And this is like really simple stuff. This is about you if you want to sell your products to others and they will like use your product and services. And then we have the fun part, affiliate. When you click here on affiliate dashboard, you would see the earnings. I'm only starting out with the WarriorPlus right now, so you won't see really any earnings here. Then you have offers here that someone is going to offer you. Look what you can sign up for, and we will get to it. Then we have like stats here. And again, you would see your earnings, etc. Transactions, same thing. You would see transactions here, contests, and launch calendar when a product is going to get, or like the affiliate is going to get launched. So let's click to offers here. When you would click in offers, you would see like all the products that you can sell. And how it actually works is that when you would come here to the offer title keyword, you can, let's say, just write here email, and it will find everything that got something to do with the email. More sales with the email marketing, right? And that's how you do it. And then you can also add a vendor name here and sort by launch date, sales, visitor value, average sale, conversion rate, vendor. So I can go with the sales, and I can see that secret email system got really good sales, but I already am with it. So what I will do, I will click on the secret email system, and I'm going to open it. But also, let's say I'm going to open 0-hour work days. Let's open it too. Now, when I'm here, how to make more sales with email marketing, or I'm already here to, so this is the this is the one that I'm not requested yet, and this is the WarriorPlus, the secret email system that I'm already in, right? Your affiliate link is, you can see right here, this one. So what I would do, I'm going to open incognito mode, and I will be redirected to the product. So ethical email marketing. And now, see, this is how you can use it. Here, you can read about, for anyone looking to start, 7-figure using without ever creating product. You would see some affiliate information here. Then you would have funnel map, and this is so secret email system, then ultimate email marketing package, and now you see the funnel, how it works. And then when you would see the products here, so for the secret email system that I would have, it's cost $560 today, and I would get everything. And then he would sell through the email and everything for $97. That's commission $48.50 for me. And this is how it works, and this is how you simply see it. So yeah. And also right here, more sales with email marketing. Let's say that I'm not in it yet. So what I have to do is I have to request approval. But before you're gonna request approval, you need to view a sales page. That's my recommendation, to actually check it out if you like it. Discover how to increase your revenue. But I don't really like the page because it's like so shiny and everything, so I wouldn't personally use this one. Then you like funnel map here, what is going to happen, and products. And you always see the price here, and you see the commission. Most of the time they are going to give you 50% of everything, so that's something you should definitely keep in mind. And you can like literally open every single one of these. So let's say that I'm going to stocks or like investing. And let's see if something I can find or no. But as you can see, there are plenty. Oh, you can see right here. Fix and flip leads broker. And I'm going to sort it by sales. I can see also the Bitcoin. So I can go like crypto. Cryptomate. Okay, let's see what this look like. CryptoKitties. Crypto Cash. Crypto Blueprint. You see plenty of things here, right? But I would definitely check, you need to check out when it was created. I don't know if I would go like 2019, 2018. That's a year that I wouldn't really go. A refund rate, you see that's like 2%. It's like okay. Conversion rate, when it's going around like 10%, it's like top notch. Here also 60 seconds traffic pro, conversion rate 50%. It's like really good. So let's see like what it's about. And then you see like products here. Free leads, buyers to any link. So yeah, this is how it works, and this is how we can work with WarriorPlus. And so that's pretty much it, how it works. And you can really find plenty of WarriorPlus, but it's really important to create a strategy. So let's say that I have an email marketing videos. So when I'm in a secret email system, I can really use it, right? For just sharing it down below in links in the description, then in the comments that they should definitely use it. And then I would just point it out. And it's really effective. Then we're like 0-hour work days. This is when you want to sell, let's say, look at this. Today, 0. See? And then just like selling it when someone wants to be digital nomad. That's pretty much it, how it works and how it is. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments and I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya. This is just like really fun part that you can use. like this one here too. Let's see how it looks like. See, this is good too. So thank you and have a great day.